Hey there, fellow parents and soon-to-be parents. Have you ever wondered what goes into creating the perfect nursery for your little bundle of joy? I know I did when I was expecting. So, today join me on a whimsical journey as we explore the enchanting world of a nursery baby room, a visual tale of dreams, creativity, and endless love. But before we dive in, let me ask you something. Do you remember the excitement and anticipation you felt when you first found out you were going to be a parent? That feeling of pure joy and, let's be honest, a touch of nervousness? Well, that's exactly where our story begins. As soon as those first ultrasound images grace your hands, the nursery planning begins. It's like a blank canvas waiting to be transformed into a haven of warmth and comfort for your little one. Picture this: the soft glow of the nightlight, the gentle rocking chair, and the sweet scent of baby powder filling the air. Fast forward a bit, and voila! The nursery starts to take shape. The walls are adorned with cute animal decals, and a crib stands proudly in the center, patiently waiting for the arrival of its tiny occupant. As the room comes together, so does the anticipation, turning the space into a haven of excitement and dreams. Now, let's talk about those personal touches. It's not just about store-bought decorations. It's about infusing your personality into every corner. Perhaps it's a handmade mobile crafted with love or a quilt made by grandma. Each piece tells a story, creating an environment filled with memories before your baby even arrives. And let's not forget the magical power of colors. Soft pastels create a calming atmosphere, while vibrant pops add a playful touch. It's like painting a masterpiece, but instead of canvas, you're painting the backdrop of your baby's early years. Now, as we approach the final stages, imagine the joy and satisfaction as you put the finishing touches on the nursery. The room is now a testament to your love and dedication, a space where countless lullabies will be sung and endless cuddles shared. And there you have it, the visual journey of a nursery baby room, a space filled with warmth, creativity, and boundless love. It's not just a room, it's a sanctuary where countless memories will be made. So, whether you're a parent-to-be or simply someone who appreciates the art of creating a magical space, I hope this journey inspired you. Remember, every detail matters, and every effort is an expression of love. With that said, thanks for joining me on this heartwarming adventure. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy nesting and, of course, happy parenting. Take care.